Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can create a search box in Excel to search your table by multiple criteria. For example, you can search it by ID. If I just copy Ctrl C this ID and put it in search box, directly it finds the row. For example, by salary, Ctrl C, put it here, even by city. If you want to create table like this, watch to the end. Now let's get started. First, from here, write search. Okay, fill it with an color. For example, I fill it with this color. Okay, first select all the table you have. Then conditional formatting. New rule. Use formula to determine which cells to format. Insert formula. Equal sign and close bracket, open bracket. Click this one. This one. Smaller and greater, double quotation. 2 times double quotation. Comma. Count of, open bracket, select the range. You see, just enter. I select the range from here to here. Okay, just delete this dollar sign, delete this dollar sign, comma, again, select this cell, enter. The cell must be has dollar sign in both sides. Close bracket, greater than 0, close bracket. Format, select, here we have fill. For example, I selected this color. Okay, now, for example, I search for Arbil. It highlights and fills the entire row with which includes Arbil. For example, Duhok. You can search by ID. For example, I search by this ID. Ctrl C, put it here. Again, you can search by salary. Ctrl copy, paste it here. By city, by name. For example, Ctrl copy. You see? Even you can search by date. That's all. Have a nice time.